Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact Gmail account that requests a verification code. This confirms which account Google targets. Once signed in, make sure your phone or backup email is nearby to receive the code quickly, because time-limited codes expire. Next, navigate to the Security or Account Recovery prompt and choose the option to send a verification code. This first action triggers Google's delivery step, so you can continue to the next stage immediately. When the code arrives by SMS, Authenticator app, or backup email, open that exact message and read the numeric sequence carefully, because a single-digit error prevents access. You should type or paste the code into Gmail's verification field. If you paste, make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Once entered, hit Verify. If verification succeeds, Google will explain why it accepted the code and what changes, like session renewal, just happened, so you understand the outcome. After successful verification, confirm you can access Gmail and update recovery options so future codes reach you reliably, because current settings determine delivery. If the code fails or times out, request a new code or switch to a backup method such as saved backup codes or your Authenticator app. Those are lifesavers when SMS delays occur. If problems persist, make sure your device clock is accurate and check for carrier message delays. Adjusting time settings often resolves mismatches that block verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.